Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to rate a company's diversity and inclusion in Glassdoor. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is go to glassdoor.com and you'll be greeted by a website like this. Now when you're here, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Glassdoor videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Glassdoor website where we have a lot of different options. So basically, we have the community, as you can see, where you can go and check out the community basically and post the stuff that you want to post. You can also see the posts that other people posted. We have the jobs, where guys, you can go and find your perfect job. So you just need to put the name of the job here and the location, and you'll search for a job here. We have companies, where you can find a workplace that works for you. This is basically a new feature, but guys, if you have an employer in mind, you can go and search for a company by tapping the name here and searching for it by clicking on the search button. We also have the salaries, so you can see are you paid fairly. Find out, you just need to put your job title here and the location and search for that also. In the top right corner, we have the profile, job activity, contributions, settings, help center, and the sign out option. But now guys, let's see how to rate a company diversity and inclusion in Glassdoor. Well, it's pretty simple guys. I have a few tips here. So Glassdoor vision is a world where workplace transparency leads to more inclusive company cultures and where every employee is treated equally. To help shine a light on inequities in the workplace, Glassdoor introduced new diversity and inclusion product features. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.